In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can level up pets fast here in Grow a Garden. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to reach level 50 or even level 100 fast, your active pet slots matter a lot and certain pet abilities stack, meaning having multiple of the same pet increases your XP gain speed. Who are the most important ones to use? First of all, the capybara. This is by far the most important one. It's going to prevent pets from losing hunger, and it'll also give you 3.4 XP per second to nearby pets. This one should always be active if you have it. The blood owl is also pretty good. It's going to give you a flat XP boost per second, so the heavier your pet, the better this is going to be. The moth is essential if you're AFK, and then of course the starfish is the best pet to level up. So by far the best method overall in order to go ahead and hit level 50 to 100 quickly, it is going to be equipping 5 to 6 ostriches because they give newborn pets a random age bonus from 1 to 10 when hatching. Then from here, go ahead and hatch starfish eggs because ostriches will end up giving your starfish the ability to birth at a much higher rate and age, sometimes over age 10. Place the newborn starfish near the capybara, and XP is going to stack from the starfish's natural XP gain, the capybara XP boost, and the ostrich age head start. Using this setup, you can reach age 50 in about 5 to 10 minutes, which is insanely fast. And it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.